How to install the fluorescence LED modules, filter cubes, and light shields on the EXI-410-FL microscope from ACCU-SCOPE. We will first install the fluorescence LED modules. To install, you will need a 3mm hex wrench and a number 1 sized Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your microscope is powered off and unplugged from the back of the microscope. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws highlighted that hold the LED access panel onto the microscope. Remove the panel. You will see 3 slots with numbers pointing to them. There are 3 correspondingly labeled connectors. The order of the cube's wavelength should increase with each number based upon your configuration, with 1 as the shortest wavelength and 3 as your longest wavelength. There are 2 guiding posts for alignment. Be sure you are inserting evenly to both. The center screw will be inserted into the middle hole. Connect the shortest wavelength to the wires labeled 1. Align to the guide post and screw into the number 1 slot using the 3mm hex wrench. Repeat these steps for any additional LEDs. Once all your LEDs are installed, organize your wires to not impede the light path or the access panel. Reinstall the access panel. We will next install the light shields. When using fluorescence, secure the transmitted light shield as shown by using the 2 thumb screws. Ensure the shield will swing freely over the light source to reduce extraneous light during fluorescence observation. You do not want it too low, as it could make contact with your sample. The fluorescence light shield will simply slot into place. Lastly, we will install the filter cubes. Each filter cube has a notch on the bottom end of the cube's slider dovetail. There is a securing pin on the inside of the turret for each filter position. The filter cube will be installed properly when the notch on the cube clicks into place. Match the numbers of the filter cubes if labeled. The wavelength should match the slot of the LED module you installed earlier. Align the cube notch with the turret and carefully slide until it clicks into place. Never touch any area of the filter cube other than the black casing. This marker indicates turret position. There are intentional blank spaces between each cube to allow viewing for transmitted light. The front button toggles between fluorescence and transmitted light. You can now power on the microscope to test your new fluorescence LED modules.